Hey, what up? Welcome to the stream. How y'all doing? Good to be here. What's going on, everybody? What up, Sebastian? Good morning. Wookie, Jacob, Lupek. Look at those blue names. Aren't they beautiful? Beatsville, good morning. Zach, Skylon, Arnesis, Eddie, Ronald, Hall, Botan, Miguel. Operation, good morning. How y'all doing? All right. What we got cooking here? So far, got plenty of supply zones overhead. Got a little demand zone down underneath. At the moment, still a downtrend still intact. Here's a cleaner chart. All right. Otani, you're looking at short? Where, up in the 800s? Or more recent, like by VWAP? What's up, Trader Fath? How you doing? Luhan? Hey. It's an old song, but I added it to the day trading playlist. So I have a few other albums that aren't on the playlist because they might be too much for background music. This is borderline, maybe too much, but I'm trying to keep it fresh. Romeo, what up? Any knife catchers? So nice little double bottom there. And Globex. Pushed up almost to 90-minute supply. So overnight high, 90-minute supply. Upside target there. And yeah. Looking for the pivot there on the downside then. Overnight lows. Overnight lows in the pivot down below. Mayan, what up? Good morning. You actually have a dedicated playlist for my music? I appreciate that, man. Thank you. I think this song I also added to the playlist the other day. Alright, so moving lower through VWAP here. Market's about to open. Let's have a great Thursday, shall we? Yo, Griswold, what up, Grizz? How you been, man? Been a little quieter without you around, Grizz. How was Cancun? How'd the proposal go? Give us the deets, man. Yo, what up, Dan? How you doing? Legsit, good morning. So we'll see. Here's a trend line here. Potential trend line. I don't know if it's a trend line yet, but we'll see. All right, so today, Funded Futures Network is my lead here. Funded Futures Network, lead account. Hopping over to My Funded Futures, Tick, and Take Profit Trader. Okay, here we go. Why is YM bouncing? I don't know. Why are you looking at YM? What business is it of yours if YM is bouncing? Do we care about YM? Who cares? If you're not over the age of 55, like, what are you doing looking at Dow, man? It's not, I don't even know. It's not even loading for me. It doesn't even want me to care about it. All right. So, ES is going to tap VWAP here soon, I bet. So watch, see if we reject that or reclaim. What's up, Froggy? How's it going? Do I not have data for this? All right, I'll pull up YM somewhere else here. We will look at YM. Well, I'll pull it up. You can pull it up on your side too. Yeah, really strong bounce there. It's a chonky little candle there. Nice, Grizz. Glad to hear it, man. Glad she said yes. That's important. Be a much different vacation if she had not. But trading, honestly, trading this week was pretty rough. And then yesterday was very solid. So I think I'm on the upswing now. I think from here on out, here until the end of the time, I think trading's going to go pretty well for me. GK, what up? Luhan, how you doing? Grizz, we got a few new blue names in here. In your absence, it was a little light in the mod department. Not that we needed it, but you know. Wow, Rachel says congrats, Grizz. Yeah, the weather's been awesome, GK. It's been so pretty here in the Midwest. All the leaves changing and whatnot. It's been awesome weather. It's starting to get a little colder. Mentioned on stream yesterday. We might get some snow this weekend. We'll see. Me? Oh, I'm doing pretty good.
I'm feeling pretty good. Pretty.
You get it. Oscar, hello. How you doing? There's VWAP on ES. Nas chilling at the low, so looks like what? ES and Dow getting their little bounces. Nasdaq is saying nuh-uh. Needs a breather. Nas was kind of leading the way lately, so you know. Can't be too surprised. Even Russell's moving a little higher. Dow definitely moving the highest. So far, ES rejection. NAS staying at the lows here. So, you know, we're either going to get a rejection and new lows on ES here if NAS can follow suit and flush overnight lows, or potential bounce spot here. You know, you can see we have potential kind of triple bottom. Could be playing out, and ES could reclaim VWAP. But for now, NAS remains somewhat heavy. I think a calendar would be a great wedding gift for Grizz. Hilarious. How great does your Japanese maple look? Dude, the red popping so hard, man. You're not lying about that. You know, the summer is nice. Fall is so freaking red. It looks awesome. Dang, Eddie. I'm on day 10 here, Eddie. For Tick Tick. You know, I'm putting in a nice screen day today. I can get a payout on Tick Tick. Unfortunately, what started with 10 accounts is down to 1 through mostly my fault. Instead of firemen, sexy stock traders. The boys of the pits. I like that, GK. That's mine now. I'm going to go copyright that real quick. Hang on. Tom already up 682 on the day. Locked out. Well done, Tom. Congrats on all the blue names. You know, I only was modding people if they promise to take points from Parshav. You gotta give him bust his chops a bit. Then he could be a blue name. It's the rules. Rachel says, if I want to take advantage of Apex's extended 70% off deal, the real highlight there is their $40 activation fee. Do you have any slick ass code I could use? Do you have a slick ass code I could use? Yes. Thank you for that tee up, Rach. Code Dan. Code Dan with Apex if you want to take advantage of their $40 activation fee, your lifetime. Trader Rensler, you're new to the stream. Welcome. What are you trading? Trading NASDAQ. Every chart here is NASDAQ on different time frames except for this top middle one, which is ES, S&P 500. At what point do you call it on options and take profit? I mean, are you swinging or day trading it? You know, someone like Evan, he only shoots for like 10% or something. He goes for smaller gains. Some people go for, you know, just go off the chart, you know. Evan says, Grizz made me the happiest woman on earth this weekend. Truth is out. We always suspected it was Evan and Grizz, but you guys kept it somewhat low-key, so nice. GG's there. How many Discord accounts do you have? And was it... and who was it that I was talking to? Well... there might have been an imposter in our ranks. I only have the one Discord account, and I do not put typos in my name. Believe it or not, a lot of people think you look like a guy who might just put a random underscore in a handle and message people about their trading. You look like that kind of guy. I'm not. It's not me. I've got other things to do. As much as I care about your trading. You have some options that expire the 14th that are up 250%. Definitely take profit. Well, you look. You gotta like kind of develop a plan, right? So like, the way I usually do it is I'll like put levels in Thinkorswim, like TP1's at this price level, TP2's at this price level, etc. But when you're up 250%, I would at least take partials, like Evan said. Yeah, definitely make sure you capture that, because with options, you know, if you let it go past, I mean, the problem is it can wipe out so quickly, you know. So definitely capture some of that. 250% is killer. You know, if you flatten right now, you're sitting pretty, you know. Has anyone here been put under live account review? I've been under review for 4 months. They said 30 days, unable to buy evals. What prop firm is that? Yo, Parsha, the one with that ad we did for like Skillshare where it's Carlton talking to Carlton was so funny, man. I saw it when I found that video for you. I skimmed through the video and I watched it. It's hilarious. Shoot, an option stream once a month. That'd be fun. That would be fun. Parsha loves the ad segments in every video. That's true. He's like, I love how Skillshare is a learning platform with over 30,000 videos or whatever. I forget their selling points. It's been a while. So nice VWAP projections there on ES. NASDAQ stayed at the lows and is now pushing lower. Here we go. Through overnight lows. Yeah, Apex. Like how much profit do you have like pending with them? Sometimes look, you could post on Twitter, get some people to like, you know, tag Apex, blah blah blah. You know, just start getting some social pressure on them to pay attention to your issue. Sometimes that works. I know someone else was having an issue with like a payout from them, and everyone was tweeting about it. Miguel says, careful, could see a bounce in this area. That's overnight lows for ES. Overnight lows. So, yeah, good spot to look for a bounce. Got some demand zones below. 6,800. Got $250,000 in funding when I got locked out, but all the accounts are gone now. Well, don't talk about funding. Let's talk about like your balance or your actual earned profit. That'll be easier to like really understand the nature of it. So I assume you got payouts with them. Several, yeah. But I would start making some noise on social media. Dan, I tried to hire you to be my photographer, but turns out you're not available in Mexico. I think you were just talking to an imposter again. You know, I got imposters in the trading space, imposters in the photography space. They're just all coming from all angles here. How do you get over getting nervous when trading? You accept the loss before you enter the trade. And yeah, like Legs is saying, lower your lot size, lower your position size so that it's not nerve-wracking. And then you build confidence in your ability as the trades work in your favor, even if it's for $20, $30, whatever. You know, you developed a plan, you put a trade on, and you got your take profit hit. But sorry. He says not size only, is one mini. One mini's big, man. Don't let the internet fool you. One mini's large. That's why they came out with micros. Do one micro. I guarantee you're not going to be nervous with one micro, right? So you build up this referential point in your brain of like, hey, remember all this similar setup I took the other day, even though it was on one micro, but remember how well it worked out? You know, you just start to get more comfortable with that. You know, the more reference points you have to like a setup working out, the easier it is to take the trade, right? And when size is small, you're not worried about the loss. You have a 70% win rate, you still get nervous? Just size down then. Size down until you're not nervous. Do your imposters look as good as you, or are they normal looking? They're very normal looking, but, you know, they have that facade of like, you know, first glance, you're like, wow, that's a good looking guy. And then on second glance, you're like, doesn't seems like he's wearing a mask kind of thing, you know? Just what I've noticed. All right, so came in at a 600 level. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. ES still hasn't moved lower off that overnight low hit. You know, that the lows there from 2:30 in the morning. You never tried a prop before. Does one get a prop challenge or evaluation for $50 USD? What is the smallest account one get, and for how much? Well, I'm confused about your 50 USD question. There are two. You know, you want to make sure you understand the pricing of these prop firms, because a lot of prop firms, they charge you a little bit for the eval, and it might be cheaper. And then if you pass, they're going to charge you an activation fee. Usually between $100 and $200, depending on the account size. So I like an all-in prop firm. My favorite's My Funded Features. So with My Funded Features, I believe this promo is still active. You could check. But here, I'll post a link. Use code Dan, and it should knock the price down on, if you select the core plan, it should knock the price down to $58, and that's all in. Let's see. I gotta log in. But My Funded Features is probably my favorite. So it's the core plan, flex add-on. Code Dan. See if that knocks it down. It should be 58 if their promo is still active. I can't use my own affiliate code, but it should be $58 if you haven't used that promo yet. Do the flex add-on though. Core, flex, Trader Quanto, doesn't matter. Maybe their Halloween promo is up, but either way, if that's not active, it'll be $73. In which case, you could try Funded Features Network. That's the one I'm on right now here with Edge Pro X. They have a buy one, get one, 50% off, no activation fee. So that's another good one. So that's 2 accounts, and it costs, what, $30-something per account, you know? That's a good one, too. So you can definitely be all in for it's less than $75. You just bought an MFFU account with your code for $69. How'd you get one for $69? What was that from, Dan? My Funded Features is the first one I mentioned, and then Funded Features Network is the second one. If you go to Prop from Gorilla, Funded Features Network is the third one listed. My Funded Features is the first one. They have the buy one, get one, which is pretty good. $75 on the 50K, $0 activation fee, and you get a second account too. So it's two for $75. Oh, okay. Lexi, you just got it for $59. Nice. So that promo through My Funded Features is still active. Yeah, there's no activation fee on either of those, Rensler. I don't like trading firms with activation fees anymore, really. Whoa, that website looks so slick ass. Why, thank you. It is a slick ass website. We could compare. We can compare those two that I mentioned. My Funded Features. Their 50K core. Boom. You're gonna spend longer at Funded Features Network in the eval period. 2 days minimum time in My Funded Features. All right, let's focus up here. I hope you like the stream, Rensler. We got a good community here. Very chill, nice supportive community. We're all just trying to become better traders here. Ooh, there's some volatility there. So new lows there on ES. New lows. Sweeping those overnight lows very nicely. Got some demand not too far away now. Right here on ES, demand zones. On NASDAQ, around the 520s. So, maybe about 80 points or so. 75 points down. Could be interesting. Get under 600 here. Do some work down to demand. That'd be nice. All right. New lows, new lows, new lows. To the window. To the wall. It's more like from the ceiling to the floor. Till everyone gets liquidated. I won't continue, don't worry. That's it. That's it for me. Lil Dan. What? Okay. $1 million, please. Is that how that works? I mean, we love a good sell-off here. Let's get that, keep that bear trend going. That was... We don't need to stop this party, man. We want to sell, baby. You know, I was wondering about these 54s here. I was scrolling back on my charts earlier. I was looking at this area here. This kind of double top we had. I was wondering if that was going to cause us any sort of issue. Wow, look at that. Little bounce. Is that enough? No, I think we end up pushing through it. I think we got to push through this one. Oh. I'll see if I get filled short here. Alright, there's the fill. Move it, move it. Don't bounce in my zone. Don't bounce at it. It's not there for you to bounce at. Oh, ES is bouncing at demand here. All right. Come on. There we go. Get through there. Very nice flush. Beautiful move. ES is not really budging though. Makes me a little hesitant. I'm out of that one. Nice little trade there. Now, I still like the move down to demand, but for a second there, ES was kind of being just a little stubborn there at demand, and so I was a little skittish in that one. Like, first trade of the day, I would hate to see like a $1,200 trade move against me and stop me out for break even or a loss, so I think it was a safe place to take profit, even though I think, where's my original target? Around here? Yeah, I think I would have gotten that would have passed these accounts I'm trading in a very nice 2-day pass had I just stayed in that, but I don't necessarily mind that taking profit there while ES is at demand. I think that's pretty smart. So, all right. Pretty good trade there. Pretty good. Good. The bummer is like, so I have a TickTick account, right? And you just need these like 10 days of $250 or so. And so I took profit on that move on TickTick specifically for like about $400 just to lock that. This is my 10th day, right? So just to kind of lock that in. I want to get the balance a little higher. So bad thing. No F, Parshav, no F. I made it to day 10, yeah, but I lost 9 accounts along the way. It was stupid. I didn't need to do that. 8 was definitely my own fault being an idiot. Very, very stupid. The 9th one was trade sinker not getting out of this trade correctly, and I didn't realize it. So it's still my fault, but trade sinker helped that happen. And I was too close to drawdown. I couldn't save it. So, yeah. This is day 10. Tick, tick. Hey, Eddie. Can I... Like, what kind of balance do I need to take a payout here? Like, it's a 50K account, so I can do $1,200 payouts. $1,200 max. My balance is like $1,400. Can I still request $1,200 or do I need more money than that? All right, that's a very nice job. I just wish I would have held this trade a little bit longer. Because, look, it didn't really... Look at the exit here. It didn't really move too much against me there. And it would have been a nice, quick drop to my profit target. And then I wouldn't, I'd pretty much be done. You like the jazz background music? I make all these tracks myself, FYI. Trading with a funded account currently. Well, the Tick ones. The Tick one's the S2F, so it's like straight to funded. That was day 10 on that one. Yeah, I think you're right at the minimum because they move your max loss. So I think you think I'm good. I don't mind just giving up the account. And then I'll probably do 10 more accounts with Tick because that was a pretty good experience. That was my favorite straight to funded experience was Tick there. It's, you know, doing like the Tradeify one, it messes with me when I, you know, if the 150K one and you have to make 9K before you can get a $3,500 payout or whatever, $3,000 payout. That's a lot. You know, like it makes me just get impatient. Even though Tick's 10 days, you know, you're like just going for base hits, man. It's like, it's not $250 on a 50K. Like, that's not bad. And you can do it times 10. It's a pretty good deal. So I think I'll reload. I think I'll get the payout, get 10 more accounts and do it again. And this time keep all 10. And that'll be a much bigger payout. Love this selling here. This is terrific. Very nice. Did you ever have a problem with the Apex payout? No, I never got to payout. I was I talk about this all the time. I was in a trade. I hit 52,600, which is what I needed. Intra trade on, I was copy trading 10 accounts. I hit it on, you know, a handful of accounts. You know, there's always like a little bit of a differential with the trade copier. I didn't close the trade out. Ended up closing out at break even or so. And just took a few red days and never got back. Never got back there. So I didn't have a problem with Apex payouts, but I didn't get a request one. Try trade day, bro. I'm telling you, you'll love the daily payouts. You don't feel like you have to make a certain amount in a day. Yes. So right now I'm doing take profit trader, represent, and after that I'll go back to trade day probably. All right, still some more short side ahead, but gotta watch this 400 level here. Let's watch this for a bounce. If you are short or looking to get short, wait to see what happens here. I mean, you do what you want. I'm gonna wait to see what happens. I wouldn't mind getting in for some more trades here, but don't want to just rush into something. Don't you hate looking back at a trade on a bearish trend day and saying, whoa. I mean, look, you picked up pennies in front of a steamroller here, but man, didn't have to just exit like that, bro. Okay. So bounce at 413. We bounced 50 points in one candle. Traders Launch has the best daily payout system eval I've seen. EOD, then static drawdown, also 3-day pass. No consistency in buffer. All right, we'll get on it. We'll get on Traders Launch. We'll check them out. Miguel, you used your site and code to try Lucid and took a payout yesterday, and it was instant, like 2 minutes to get to my bank account. Miguel, thank you for supporting, and congrats on the payout, man. You fucking crush, man. I would be interested to see what you could do with TradeSyncer, carefully with TradeSyncer, but like, 20 accounts of your favorite props all at once, Miguel. That's what I would like to see you do. Just because I feel like you're very consistent. But you do you, man. Keep getting those payouts. Nice job. Glad Lucid paid you quick. Lucid's new. They've only been around for 6 months, something like that. Not long at all. So, I'm making a video where I get tier lists for the prop firms, and I decided not to review Lucid just because they're so new. Problem is, if you say, "Oh yeah, they're great," and then they shit the bed in 2 months, then you look like an idiot. Is this the pullback? I'd like to see 400 hit again. Look at that 15-minute chart, man. It's like that meme where it falls onto the guy's floor off of his monitor. That's crazy. Mayan just bought 5 core planes with your code. Hey, Mayan, thank you for the support. Much appreciated. I think you're gonna really like it. I really like my funded features. They are really solid. They unbanned you. Good. I don't know why you were banned. But if you use my code and support me, if you have issues with the props, I can reach out to them and help, be the, what's the word? Media, just kind of be the liaison if you have a hard time. Luckily, most of these props, especially the ones that I got on Prop from Gorilla, they're legit, right? And they're not going to cause problems, but if you support me, I'll support you. The facilitator, there you go. Yeah, I'll be the facilitator if there's an issue. I'll try to make sure they take care of the people I bring to them. Oh, because you blew their live account. But yeah, they're the first firm that really made me take off with props. Was unprofitable before them. Nice. Nice, Daniel. Get that payout, son. Get it. find the bottom here? Maybe. It's just, after all that selling, such a quick little bounce? I don't know. I think we got to revisit it one more time at least. And maybe dip a little lower. Dip a little lower. A little bit lower still. A little bit lower still. PDL bounce. I got PDL down at 283, 282.5. We're using the same PDL there. Or are you looking at a session PDL? I don't really have a session PDL there. Yeah, PDL bounce would be nice. We got demand. Got this little area at 400, right above 400 there. We got a little demand, then we got PDL. So we got plenty of interesting stuff for us to head on down towards. Grizz, have a good time at the gym. Oscar, have a great day. Catch you later. Arshav, stop trading commodities. Francisco, you lost 150k top step XFA when balance was at 4k. Ouch. Started to take profit trader 150k combine and hit profit target in 2 sessions. That's just the way things go, man. But I did the same thing, and I feel very disappointed in myself about it. It was when I was trading top step. It was fun to count, and I was like in a short, and we flushed like 200 points instantly. So I made like $4,000 in one trade, which is like pretty much a guaranteed payout. But guess what? It was not guaranteed. I messed that one up. I was just very disappointed that I did that. Very silly of me. What's happening here? We're going to bounce one more time, or are we going to flush? Bounce one more time or flush? Feels flushy to me. Yes, trying to bounce. Yes, can you do it? Nah, can't do it. Can't do it. Time to flush, man. All right, should get the flush there. First area I'm watching is just this little spot above 400, and then I want to see us tap into 90-minute demand. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, jeez, man. Oh, that hurts. I was in the short on futures desk, and I sized up for it, and I was literally one tick away from filling me on that jab lower. Oh, God. And I ended up taking a small loss on it. That's annoying. I hate it. I hate it. Tell you what, I've been going so steady on this features thing for a while. The last few days I just bombed it, which is like max daily loss is $400. So I'm just like been hitting max loss. I've just been trying to like trade it quicker and scalp it and just kind of get it done with, and it's not really gone well. But I missed it by like a tick or maybe 2 ticks. It was terrible. Well, the move up does look better now, doesn't it? Look at a higher low on ES. A nice jab straight to my level. I mean, that's to the fucking tick. Oh man. Let's go. Come on. Parshav, it's like $1,400. Yeah, what sucks about it, Parshav, is could have easily been a $12,000 payout instead of a $1,200 payout. That's all right. Get back to it. Turning off the heat map on Volbook today. Looks like Windows 98. I know, Parshav. Definitely got to set those up. I wish Project X would have like a global risk loss that you could just apply to all accounts. I was too lazy to do it on all 10 and I paid the price. Go back and long all the way, likely. Yeah, I would agree with that. I would look for a higher low to be placed on NASDAQ now. So, somewhere in this realm. And then something like that. Do the same for your Rhythmic accounts. You're right. That is my kryptonite. I need to just take a smaller losses and walk away for the day. I always get in the mindset, I can scalp it back. No, it just leads to more problems. See, sometimes I do scalp back, but come on. No, more often than not, I just make it worse. Okay. All right. Well, what up, Jim? How you doing? Yeah, that's what people say, right? Is if you got to break a rule, and if you break a rule or have a lack of discipline, and you make money from it. It's worse because that's reinforcing a bad habit. You seen the R6 III? It's got OpenGate. I just heard about it. I haven't seen any footage or anything from it, I don't think. Okay, I'm looking for a pullback. I'll take a long. I can get a decent pullback here. Don't want to buy at the top of this. I want to buy a bit lower. Mid 40s would be ideal. If I can do something like that, that'd be nice. Short of VWAP on ES could play. I think that's why I'll look for, ideally, for NASDAQ to give me a pullback entry. I don't know. It's pretty clean reversal setup, though. What up, Peter? Doing well, thank you. Okay. Wonder if we can get under 500 again. Can we pull back a little bit more? Pretty nice 100-point bounce there off the lows. Just a reminder, chat, if you're waiting for a setup, pop on over to the stream. Hit the thumbs up button for me real quick. Helps the channel out. Real easy to do. Parshab, I didn't. No, was it like a YouTube video about it or something? Do you feel more pressure trading a live account or prop firms? Usually a prop firm, because it's more hoops to get to the payouts, you know. Personal account usually feels easier. Come on. NASDAQ's not really moving. You think price will go to overnight highs? Yeah. Yeah, overnight highs VWAP. Oh, wait, no, that's overnight lows. This is a good first target. VWAP and overnight lows. I love that target. Overnight highs. So we hit those pre-market 7:30 a.m. 90-minute supply. I think it's a great area to watch. Just depends. We have to see the strength of this bounce. Because so far, pretty good, right? This reversal setup's pretty solid. And the bounce looked pretty good. So we just have to see if we can, on this leg down, We have to see if we can get right on back up there. Excuse me. And get on up to VWAP, etc. relatively quickly. All right. I mean, if we could just a little bit lower, Let's just copy this channel here. Funny enough, it looks like a lagging Ethereum chart. You know, it's actually interesting that you mentioned that because you know Dylan from Carmine's group. Dylan's trades at actual prop firm on Wall Street. He's been using crypto the last few days as kind of a correlating and a leading, how would you say, indication of potential direction. So you're not the only one who's noticed that, I guess. That's kind of interesting. But he's been using that in his analysis. Is this my entry? Try a 1 here. Don't leave without me here. Hang on. Try 1 contract and potentially add a second. I hate it when that happens. I'm like, all right. Okay, I'll get in. It's just like slam, opposite direction. Maybe I'm too early on this. Maybe I hop out. Hop out just under 500 here. One of those trades where I'm like, man, I wish the trade copier didn't work on this one. Okay, that was a quick stop out. Got fucking wrecked on that entry, man. Again, literally wait like 5 seconds and I'm not in that. $500 hold here. I'll try this one more time. Is my stream buffering a lot for you? Oh, I mean, things on my side look good, but yeah, I don't know. Huh. I wonder if this is just a little bull trap here, huh? Yo, Andy, what up? I might have to short this. I was thinking I was going to long. Nice drop. I'm glad I got out of that long. Nice sell lots there hitting the yes. All right. See if Vix can get a nice break of 20. I added volume profile to my chart. Yeah, you know. I always go through phases where I add it and take away, I add it, take away. Well, give it another shot. Man. Very nice. Very nice moves. I don't know, Parshav. You have fun with your grains, I guess. I'm going to stick with NASDAQ. Oh my gosh. Straight futures desk again. It turned around right before my fill again. I flattened it, but there I would have gotten the flush to my fill. All right. Okay. There we go. Really nice move there. Man, imagine if I shorted that instead of longing. The entry was right there. Man, inverse that trade, man. That was a sick short. Wow. All right, 90-minute demand here on NASDAQ, but we might have some selling momentum now. Pretty good. Wow. All right, back in, huh? Man. I got on this trade short and I was trying to fix OBS here and it was like really stressful. I don't like how volatile it is here. I'm gonna hop out, I think. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, don't make me regret that. Don't make me regret that. I just want to see the flush a little faster. I can get a better entry potentially. All right. So ES is right at the 30-minute demand here. We'll see if that does anything. I would like to short just a little bit higher. Come on. Come on. There we go. Dude, man, bro, amigo. What's up? Yeah, I've had the BPM thing for a while. It's not really where I want to get in. Come on. Getting a little higher. Chickened out last time. I was looking for even higher still, but all right. Let's just see here. Let's just see if we can get the... Oh, yeah, quick flush here. Oh, yeah. It's the Gabagool.
Gabagool, over here.
Come on, let's go. Right to my target. Come on. Should be good. Should be good. Come on. Gap filled? Oh, okay. Thanks for looking out. I did not. Not watching that. Shit. All right, come on. Don't bounce hard, please. Don't do it to me. Oh, fuck. Fuck. God damn it. Piece of shit. It's not looking for those cues. Which? Oh, that? Okay. Yeah, I guess that hit that one from the 10th. Hit that to the friggin' tick there, huh? Man, that's a brutal retracement on that trade. I was so tempted to take partials, just take one off, but the momentum looked good, and a lot of times when I do that, we still get the flush, and I'm just like, I don't need to be so concerned about it. And of course, that's just trading in a nutshell, right? It feels like whatever you do is the wrong thing. I hate that. Sucks ass. I think we're still gonna flush too. Look at this. We're completely retracing this already. I think that was just a little bounce from that Q wick there. This sucks. Well, I guess go again. I guess 300 level. All right, well, a little something there, but what up, Grizz? It's all right, Parshad, man. You're good. Have a good rest of your day. Enjoy your dinner. Life is good. Grizz, how's the gym, man? Look at you getting right back into your gym routine after a vacation. Good on you. Uh-oh. Something may have gone wrong with one of my accounts here. Let's see. Oh yeah, Take Profit Trader still on accounts. I gotta flatten all. Something happened there. I think I was in a long on Take Profit Trader, supposedly, according to the Trade Secret dashboard. So I gotta log in there, see what happened. Jerry, taking a long. I'm not interested in longs right now. Momentum's to the downside. This Pop Pyre got smashed. Alright. Last year I made it to the gym the day after Thanksgiving. I think that deserved an award. Yeah, definitely, man. Okay, so it looks like I'm flat on Take Profit Trader. 385. That's interesting. I don't know. I don't know what happened there exactly. I think we're going lower, guys. Let's see. Let's see what happens. We are right at 30-minute demand here on ES, causing us a little bit of issues. But PDL is, man, PDL is so close. Taste it. What does it taste like? It's water. Very neutral. PDL, we gotta hit PDL now. I just wish I was able to feel confident about a entry. I was entering too late on a lot of these and not holding. Sweet PDL, maybe a little bounce there. Let's see. Subpar Golf, gotta have an options play for 50% gain. You're proud of yourself. It has proceeded to go up 300%. Doesn't mean you shouldn't be proud of yourself, man. Don't let that take away from that feeling of, you know, feeling good about the trade. Nothing changed. Excuse me. Jeez. Whew. I mean, we gotta get that PDL sweep. That'd be so rude to turn around, you know, 23 points before, and after we dropped, however many points we dropped. 400. Is that 400 points from like the open? Shit. Man, that felt fast. 1.6% down on NASDAQ. It's more of a red day than I thought. Joe, I'm not gonna look that up. It's not my first rodeo, man. What I need to do now, I just need to make sure the trade sinker's working here. That seems to look good. You got TBM to do it on stream? No way. He didn't know about that? Maybe he's too young. People were talking about that when I was like in high school. All right. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is the flush to PDL now. All right. Got to load up max contracts and short the lows. I'm just kidding. Not going to do that. We have NFP tomorrow? I don't know. Don't mute. You want to hear Gabagool barking his head off? I don't think so. Flush it. Look at ES just freaking stand still at demand. We're gonna flush it. We're gonna flush it, right? Right, chat? Gots to. Come on. Oh, I know, Gabagool. Life is hard. You gotta make sure no one leaves the house without you. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Why do they do that to you, Gabagool? Can show the dog. I don't know if he wants to be shown, honestly. He's kind of in a mood right now. Doesn't want Rachel to leave. Here, Gabby, come here. Come here. Come here. What's the matter? Good boy, aren't you? Oh, yes. Oh, good yawn. Wow. Your breath smells horrible. What are you eating? All right. Get on out of here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I thought Rachel left, so he was free to go, but no. Let me go wrangle him again real quick. Buffering a lot? Yeah, sorry. Sorry, guys. There's nothing I can do about it. I already reset OBS. My upstream's good. There's no way that I know how to fix the issue, you know? So I understand this sucks. I apologize. I wish there was something I could do. This guy needs a prop from Gorilla Hoodie. I know. That's what Parsha was saying. I might make myself one. All right. Gonna flush. I feel mildly confident about it. Trump is speaking. All right, well, heads up. Are you running OBS as admin? I don't know, man. Do I need to be? I mean, I don't like right click on it and say run as admin, but force it to have the highest priority. Okay. I could try that. Maybe it's just a tease. Maybe it's not going to give us that flushed PDL. Do you trade a live account as well? Also, good afternoon. Well, good afternoon to you. I do have a live account. I haven't traded a lot lately. I'm thinking about doing it a little bit more because I miss it. I'm eager to pass these accounts. That's why, but I think I need to really make sure I like what I'm doing here. I mean, Ethereum got a little bounce out of here. Maybe NASDAQ will too. Is it really just following Ethereum a few minutes behind? Windows is probably updating. Is this not? Okay. It says I'm up to date. Checked yesterday. I don't. I don't know, man. I don't use this PC for anything else. Maybe Steam? Oh, I downloaded Steam yesterday for Marbles. Is that running? Doing something? I don't know what it would be doing, though. See if that makes things better. Oh, you're being facetious? I fell for it. I mean, it seems like a legitimate thing that could be happening. Well, chat, you guys like anything? I will look for us to bounce out of here. Maybe we get the flush, maybe we don't. Maybe there's a long on the board. Long to 400, 420, something like that. Yeah, the only game I have, Jacob, is that Marbles on Stream game. That part shot made me download yesterday. So I need about 1,120 bucks here. Get these passed. Don't have to do it all today. It is nice. Get them done with. I don't like to spend a bunch of time in evals if I don't have to. Could this be the little higher low out of the bottom here? All right, Gabagool. Let me go get you. I'm gonna try long hair. So there's just a lot of consolidation here at the lows. I don't really love it, honestly. Don't really love it. Don't really love it. Might be time to hop out. I don't know if I have the patience for this. Yeah, come on. Just gonna get out for minimal damage here. Well, I'll kill it here at break even. Gotta be a little bit more patient, I think. Wait for our clear direction. I don't need to catch the move down, and I don't need to be the first buyer here either, so I can just be patient. Be patient. Ethereum's moving lower. Let's see if Nas follows suit. Well, seems like the stream is just struggling here, and I know viewership's tanking because it's buffering a lot. I think should I kill the stream here? Is it just too annoying? Just try again tomorrow. Let me know. Let me know if you think I should just kill it. It's not really annoying. It's been running fine for a while now. Okay, not too bad. All right, I did put OBS in admin mode, like Exit mentioned. All right, what do you think? You think we're gonna get out of here? It's too much of a coin flip right now. I think 400 is a great target to the upside if we do get push. Look at ES has not done anything. I mean, Nasdaq's also not doing anything. It's just, Nasdaq moves in a little bit bigger a range, but just 12 points chopping around for, you know, an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. There's really not doing anything. I don't think people are leaving because of the price action, to be honest with you. Just I looked at my viewership chart. It's like it's like like a bear trend, and it's usually when I end stream we're not at 56 viewers. Even in boring price action, even when I'm playing geography games. Photon, you think you're gonna gamble with your Tradeify Cup account? What place are you in? So, giveaway time? With 56 people in here? Hey, there's something. New lows on ES here. PDL. So close. On both indices here. Just a tick. Double bottom tick. Wiki on NASDAQ. I think it's gotta flush, guys, right? It's gotta. I've been saying that for a while now. It's gotta flush PDL here. Load up 3 contracts short. Let's go. Trying to get for the 280. Not gonna do that. It's tempting. Not gonna do it. Do it, says Eddie. Well, if Eddie says I do it, I might do it. Eddie? Should I do it? Should I do it? Well, Tom, you're going to do it? Just front run 280. Go for... I mean, we'll probably sweep it. But maybe 283? Be safe? Yeah, that's 30 points. Is that more than 30 points? That's 40 points. Right? Math is hard. 30 points. 30 points. I'm sure, Ben. Blush, blush, blush. Blush it. Blush it. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna try it. Feeling risky. Blush it. Don't make me average down. This might be a quick stop out here. Stopped out. You little bitch. Ah, easy come, easy go. Now I gotta go 3, right? I gotta go heavy. Make back my loss. Just like break every textbook rule. Trading. Oh, I was trading chop and I was wrong. It's time to double up. Yeah, let's martingale this thing. Let's do it. Are we cooking with longs yet? Are we cooking with longs? Look at that absorption there on ES. How many lots was that? Not that many, maybe. 176. It's not that much. Tough day, chat. No good, Slee. Not feeling this. Don't tell me. Don't tell me I... Well, that was a shitty entry, so let's be honest about that. 300s. Even still, we bounced to what, 340s? This is actually big movement in this chop, you know? It's actually pretty large little range we're working in. 79 points that we keep kind of bouncing between every, 6, well, longer than that, but here's PDL. We should have a counter every time I say, here it is. I'm gonna sweep right here. Here it is. All right. Do not just bounce at these lows again like a little biatch. ES is being really stubborn. Demand should be invalidated now. I think we're going to tump over here. Tump over. I'm not selling the low. What am I doing? I'm not going to do that. I'm being, getting a little goofy here. I'm not selling these lows. Am I drunk? Come on. Stupid. For what? Maybe 20 points. Maybe we flush more, but come on. It's all about entries, man. How's your day so far? Pretty good. Pretty good. Locked in a payout on TickTick. As far as I know. Should be requesting a payout tonight. Finally. Probably just use it to buy more Tick accounts because I really liked it. You can buy a bundle of 10 in one transaction. That's nice. Okay. Okay, we're definitely flushing here. Definitely. Definitely, right, chat? Definitely. There's no other choice. It must happen. Rejection of 300 flush. I'm doing it. Let's go. We gotta do it, chat. Do not bounce here. Give me PDL. Give it to me. No bouncing. Not allowed. It's not Sky Zone. There we go. Took one off there. Just not worth the risk at all. I mean, it's kind of silly, but we're having fun. All right, out of that one. That's what I want to see for like the last 10 years, however long it took for that to happen. That's what I want to see. So the question is, just bounce here? It's a hero long area, but could easily do some work lower. There's some nice cells there on ES. Let's see if just is able to be absorbed and we bounce. Or maybe this is the next leg lower, right? We don't know. Okay, thanks, Eddie. Appreciate that. Otherwise, I'd be like freaking out. Why can't I hit request payout, man? Kind of tempted to do a hero long here. It's just a little early. We could, like I said, could easily have a next leg down. But darn it, if a hero long doesn't look good. Whoops. I took it. Whoops. Come on, baby. Come on. Can I stay in this? Can I stay in it? Nah, I can't stay in it. I think a long could still play out here, but how much wiggle room do I really want to give it? Do I want to give it 20 points? That's reasonable. Chat, anyone else like longs, or is that just me? It's really sketchy, but is that Rachel's voice in the song? Nah, bro. Hard to really want to get long here. Look at the 15-minute. Still looks bearish. I just need someone else to tell me. Do you like the long idea? Traded with J-Rock? Yeah, but not yet. Look at those sell orders there. They're going to get smashed. Wow. Opinion on straight to funded versus evals. Most straight to funded is they gotta hamper you in some way, right? And so usually it's a consistency rule that you know, kind of just limits how much you can make, which it makes sense from a business perspective. They have to do that. I tend to think the eval route is probably better. I should have just grabbed it, man. No second guessing. What is on my calendar? Oh. All right, I'm in here. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. I'm in danger. Oh, man. Trying to be a hero here. Trying to be a hero. Yeah, Garrett, the payout policy on TikTok is weird. I will grant you that. But in some ways, it could be cool. So they're going to put, was it 40% of your payout into your live wallet, which if you fail, like that just builds up over time. It doesn't like disappear. If you fail, like the fundeds, you know, if you blow the accounts. As far as I know, the live wallet stays intact. And so yeah, you get 50% of your payout request straight to you, 40% to your live wallet, and 10% is TikTok's cut. So it is weird. Eddie just did it. Eddie just got a payout from them. What do you think, Eddie, of the whole live wallet situation? So 300 level held there. Really hope I can get the push here. Pass these accounts. Large sell orders hitting. Want to see those get absorbed here. Otherwise, it's going to run me over. And he says, if it leads to me getting a live account with daily payouts, I'd be sick. Yeah, for sure. All right. Yeah, the profit score thing does make things a little bit more complicated, unnecessarily complicated in my opinion as well. Hold the line. I don't think it's going to hold the line, guys. I think I'm about to get hit. I did get hit. And that's going to be curtains on the day for me. It was a pretty fun day, despite ending red. Hope you guys have a good rest of your session. And I'll request that payout tonight. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for some more fun in the markets. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.